Okay, so now coming to the second part of data collection. So you have identified roles, you have added medical students, residents who want to learn the process of meta-analysis. They are going to work on the basic patient characteristics of the Excel sheet while you work on the primary outcome, data of the topic. So I have multiple tabs on the bottom of the Excel sheet, So one tab is where there is like links to all these studies so that you can always use it and go back and refer, why did I not include this study, or what was the reason this study was not there, that kind of thing. And then on sheet one, we are collecting all the basic information, and I pay particular attention if studies are from the same center, or is there any potential cohort overlap. Like one group might have done a study 5 years ago on 20 patients, let's say EU was guided, coiling and injection of gastric varices. And then you will see that from the same center, after 3 years, there is another study with more number of patients. So pay particular attention to the time frame of these studies that were performed in these centers, and mention those in your data sheet. Like make a column where you write, is it a prospective study, retrospective study, which center, and what is the time duration. So that will help you to later on go and assess these studies to see and check for cohort overlap. And obviously, you will include the study that has either the maximum number of patients or the study that is published the latest. One other tab that I create on the bottom of the Excel sheet is the quality assessment. If the meta-analysis is all about randomized control studies, then I have the Chadard scale open in one of the Excel sheets so that while I'm collecting the data, I can simultaneously finish up my risk of bias assessment or quality assessment. If it's cohort studies, case control studies, then Newcastle Ottawa scale. So depending on the study, what scale you are going to use, which I will discuss in detail on the risk of bias assessment videos, collect those informations also simultaneously so that you avoid redundancy later on. Thank you.